Hi everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun unboxing for you guys. I'm unboxing the new Ryan's World toys available this month by Bonkers Toys. Thank you so much to Bonkers Toys for sending me this entire collection to unbox and review for you. I have first the Ryan's World mystery wheel, and this mystery wheel has so many different uses. While unboxing, after unboxing, you name it, and I'm going to name them all in this video. I'm also going to be showing you the new Ryan's World Teeny Treasures. These are based off of the amazing treasure chest that all of the kids love. Those boxes are so awesome. They have storage options. They're just so much fun to unbox. So now they have two micro versions. So I'm going to be unboxing both of these in this video as well. Now, before I get started, don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Let's get started first with the mystery wheel. Now, the possibilities are endless for this, folks. Honestly, if you are looking for a fun toy that's going to continually provide some pretend play and just to keep the kids busy, this is definitely the toy for you. So thank you so much to Bonkers Toys for sending me these free products to review. And please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to spin the wheel. And I spun to the color green, and this is a great opportunity to also teach colors to little one, things like that. So you have all these different opportunities here to teach, to play, and to have fun. Now, right over here is this little like lip right here, and that's how you're going to open the door to reveal the prize. Inside we have a blind bag, and we have Alpha Alexa, and these look like either stickers. Yeah, most likely the stickers. All these cute stickers with Ryan, as Red Titan, and skateboard, and rock and roll Ryan, and just Combo Panda, just random characters from the world of Ryan's World. And we have this blind bag right here. And inside we have Gus the Gummy Gator. Really, really, really cute. The beauty of this toy is that you can close the door and you can keep opening up again and again. And here is a bouncy that's what makes it so much fun for little kids, so they can hide their own little trinkets inside. This is door color orange. Pretty bouncy. Whoa. That is really, really bouncy. Whoa, I think we just opened up this door. We did. When you look on the bottom, there's a hole in the figure. You can actually put the figure back inside and they can go for a spin. Let's put Gus in there. There we go. Gus is inside. Close it up. He can go for a ride. Looks like we're picking the same one over and over. Yellow. This is cool. Here we have these like challenge cards. It says jump on one leg 5 times. And these are called mystery wheel action cards. So every time a child spins, they can do some fun action cues. We could have a dance party for 10 seconds, a staring contest, fun things like that that kids absolutely love. I do staring contests with my little guy like every single day. These even hot potato, where you actually incorporate the spinner in the gameplay. So this is a lot of fun. So this toy is going to really have a great shelf life past the unboxing experience. This is not like a one and done unboxing toy. And here we have Combo Panda. Blue. Gonna be a good one. Oh my gosh, and it's our spinner. Here is a Combo Panda fidget spinner. And Bonkers Toys, they make the most amazing fidget spinners. They really do. They've been making fidget spinners even before fidget spinners were really, really popular. And they just knock it out of the park every single time. They are fantastic. I love their fidget spinners. I also love dropping them. No, I'm just kidding. I don't. But they really are amazing. And I love how it has like two, it's just really just one spinner. And there is a different expression for Combo Panda on each side. That's really fun. Really, really cool. Whoa, is this the same door? Let's open up green. Whoa, we already opened up one. Let's Let's just go through each of these compartments. Otherwise, I'll be spinning all day. And I actually am going to repackage this up so my son can enjoy it. Because, I mean, I would totally buy another one. But it is like a gifty price. It's $39.99. I think it's a great price for like a birthday gift for ones that like kids that love Ryan's World. So honestly, especially the fact that it has so much more play value after you're done unboxing. So now we revealed the make your own card. So this experience is different for every child. They can make their own. Let's say they wanted to play hide and go seek, make dinner together. Like these are like fun challenge cards that your child can make up on their own. So cool. Here's the blind bag. And we have Pizza Party Cool Ryan. He's wearing sunglasses. It looks like he's from like the 90s. I like his purple hair too. Really, really cool. One. Oh my goodness. And here we go. Up behind the white door. And we have Alpha Alexa, and she is a queen. She is wearing a crown. Behind the blue door. Looks like we have more stickers. Yep, we have more stickers. Very, very cool. And these look like they are the same stickers as before. They are. And we have King Ryan wearing a crown as well in royal garb. Behind the green compartment. And we have another bouncy ball. And this one says Ryan's World. It has the Ryan's World logo on it. And it is red. And we can have our bouncy balls bounce together and see who can bounce the highest. Whoa. Very, very, very cool. Orange door. Another mystery blind bag. And we have, oh my gosh, and we have Peck, and he is a wizard. Peck is so cute. I think he's one of the cutest characters. I love him. White door. Another mystery. Whoa, and I have another bouncy ball. This one is Red Titan Ryan, and this is a yellow ball. Well, that's it for unboxing the mystery wheel. It was so much fun to unbox, and it's definitely going to be fun for kids to unbox as well. That's why I think this is a great toy for birthdays, if you want to give a gift for Valentine's Day. I think this is a great opportunity to do that. Here's everything that I got from this mystery wheel. All right, guys, in the next video, I'm going to be unboxing the Teeny Treasure, so stay tuned for that one. This is the unboxing of the mystery wheel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like the ideas of how to incorporate more pretend play and more fun with the new Ryan's World mystery wheel. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. I'll put all my shopping links there as well, and some of them will be affiliate links that you can purchase through at no additional cost to you. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to Bonkers Toys for sending me this amazing collection of Ryan's World toys to unbox and review for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and my other social media channels. Thanks for watching. Bye. The Ryan's World Teeny Treasure sets are based off of the widely popular treasures chest by Ryan's World, of course. So we have the gold one and the glow-in-the-dark one. Let's open up the gold one first. Inside the chest, you're going to get 3 of 12 mystery microfigures. Get 1 sticker of 4 possible mystery stickers, and you're going to get 1 of 4 mystery spinners. That's the fidget spinner. And I love Bonkers Toys fidget spinners, and I really want to thank Bonkers Toys for sending me this collection of new Ryan's World toys that are coming out actually this month to unbox and review for you. You're gonna find it in the States on Amazon and at Kohl's. And if you're in Canada, it'll be at Walmart. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, and you get all these golden mystery bags. This is so cool. First blind bag. And we have a Royal King Combo Panda. Next one. Oh my gosh, and here is that dragon. He's really, really cute. And he has like his egg still attached to him. He's wearing it like a diaper, and he has golden details on him. He's really adorable. Here is that sticker bag. And we have a King Ryan. He has a silver amulet on, and he's wearing royal garb. Here is our last blind bag. Wow, this is so cool. So we have the Sun fidget spinner, and it is gold, and it has King Ryan in the center, and it has like this reflective sticker on it. It's pretty awesome. I love their fidget spinners. They're the best. Honestly, everything by Bonkers Toys is so well made. I love it. Teeny treasure chest, and you can put everything back inside and store it after playtime is over. Side of this adorable small treasure chest. I love it. And what's cool is that these are kind of like concave. They are concave, and you can actually stack them up, which is pretty awesome. So if you want to save on shelf space and you still want to display these inside of the actual chest, then go for it, because you can stack them. Pretty clever. Now I'm going to unbox the Ryan's World Teeny Treasure Set, and it is glow-in-the-dark exclusive to Target. Inside of this chest, you're going to get 3 of 12 micro mystery figures that are glow-in-the-dark, 1 glow-in-the-dark mystery sticker, and 1 glow-in-the-dark mystery spinner. Ooh, nice. And in this box, you get silver blind bags. Open the first one. Nice. And we got a Gus the Gummy Gator as, I think he's an astronaut, and he is going to be glow-in-the-dark. He has a helmet on. Very, very, very cool. Whoa, oh my gosh, sorry, Alpha Alexa. She is wearing a astronaut's outfit too. Oh my gosh, I love how her tail is coming out of her actual uniform. And she also has a plastic helmet. Oh my goodness, and Ryan is also an astronaut of some kind. This is like an old style like astronaut's outfit. I love like these jetpacks on the back. And he has an R over here, and Alpha Alexa has an A, and Gus just has Gus on his. And on the bottom, we have an alien Ryan riding in a UFO as the sticker. And finally, our last blind bag. Oh my goodness, a glow in the dark, just like swirl, like it looks like just like a cluster formation of just stars. This is gonna look so cool while it is glow in the dark. Let me hit the lights and we can see the glow. Here is the entire collection from Ryan's World Teeny Treasure glow in the dark version. The treasure chest glows, all of the figures glow, the sticker glows, even the spinner. This collection is really, really awesome, and I just love the way it glows. Check out this fidget spinner and just the way it spins for so long, and that glow, you could see the glow is like kind of diminishing, but it's still so bright, vibrant, and so bright. Really, really, really awesome. And then you just keep spinning it and recharging it. It just gets brighter and brighter. I love it. It even mimics like a UFO. And this sticker, which is actually a UFO, Ryan is in it, but you can't see it because the UFO is the only thing that's glow in the dark. Now, to help me charge up my Ryan's World glow in the dark toys, I'm using a black light, and that really, really helps keep that glow nice and bright. Gus the Gummy Gator's figure is actually the best glow in the dark ever. I love this glow in the dark version. He's like head to toe glow. The top, the bottom, everything. I just love it. Alpha, Alexa, and Ryan just have small glow in the dark parts. However, I do think they are great glow in the dark. I have to show the sticker again because it looks really cool to making it fly around. And I just also love that the treasure chest itself is also glow in the dark. I want you to let me know in the comments what you think of the new Teeny Treasure by Ryan's World. You're going to be able to find the new Ryan's World Teeny Treasure on Amazon, at Kohl's, and at Walmart Canada. And the glow-in-the-dark Teeny Treasure is exclusive to Target. If you're looking for that Ryan's World Mystery Wheel, it's going to be available this month, Target, Walmart, and on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a great day. Thank you so much to Bonkers Toys for sending this collection to review for free.